day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free Telegram group chat, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code. It's basically a channel over on Telegram where I update you with the latest market developments hour by hour. It's completely free of charge, so go ahead and scan that QR code. But let's start here with the S&P 500. Yesterday, very nice strong bounce in the market, up around 1.78%, so just shy of a 2% rally there for the S&P 500. But more importantly, it's respected the 0.23 fib area. You know, this is something that I did say during yesterday's trading session where we had previous resistance and support areas at that price level, and you know, we've had a nice jump. But I still believe that longer term, we're just going to kind of bounce around between the 0.23 fib and that 0.38 fib, which is all the way up at around 4,100. You know, September is a very tricky month for the markets. It's the worst month on record, so I don't really expect any major movements either to the upside or the downside. I think that we're just going to be stuck around this zone here for the rest of the month. I think the only potential that where we could trade higher is the CPI reading that we get next week. That's on the 13th of September. I do anticipate that inflation has come down, and you know, we're seeing signs of that. You know, yesterday alone we saw crude oil down on the day, down around 5%, 5.73%. So it's now trading down at $81 a barrel. So that of course supports for further deflation with regards to that inflation, that high inflation number that the US was bringing out over the past couple of months. So I think that the S&P 500 is going to be stuck. But if we look beyond that, you know, I was updating over on Telegram. I put a nice little chart in. Actually, this is on my free Telegram group chat where you can scan the QR code to join. But I put this chart up and you know, just showed you, you know, this is the previous bear markets that have occurred in the S&P 500 dating back to 2009, and as you can see at this moment in time, this has been the longest bear market that we've had in over 12 years, guys. So it's been tough. It's been a very tough start to the year, but what's important is to look at the common factor between all of these bear markets, and that is that, you know, the top right hand of this chart shows, and that is that, you know, within 205 days of the bear market starting, we have actually ended and, you know, basically gained back all of those losses. So that's what I'm anticipating here for this current bear market. I'm looking for a very strong finish to the year from October onwards, and hopefully we can trade and have an almighty rally, you know, because this one that occurred back in 2011, you know, we're pretty well correlated with regards to this bear market, and you know, as you can see, we had a very strong rally in the latter period of that bear market rally, and that's something that I am looking for to happen here with regards to the S&P 500's current bear market. So it's going to be tricky to navigate the markets for the next couple of weeks, but I think, you know, as we go into October, November and December, I think things could really start to brighten up for this indice.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.